Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will make a tahu campur. So before that, please let us introducing ourselves. My name is Fariq and I'm the maker of the food.
And my name is Adam Rafi. I am cameraman.
So let's go to the tutorial video.
Wes.
So first we must prepare the ingredients. The ingredients is fried onion, fried tofu, celery, fried egg, cabbage, bean sprout, rice cake, and the ingredients of the bean. Secondly, after we prepare the ingredients, let's make the peanut butter first. So first, you put on the chili and the garlic and shrimp paste and a little bit of salt. After that, you mix it until it is soft. After all have mixed already, we put the peanut and after that mix it until it's soft and mix already. So after we make the peanut sauce, let's plating all the ingredients. So first cut the rice cake. Secondly, after you cut the rice cake, let's mix the other ingredients. First ingredient is sliced cabbage. The second is bean sprout. And then put the fried tofu and the fried egg. Thirdly, put the peanut sauce on the top. And finally, put the celery and the fried onion on the top.
So that's how we make tahu campur. Thank you for watching the video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi